Well, guys, I've made a decision. I have decided that the future for this channel is going to be that we are not going to niche it down. If you're new to this channel, my name's Billy Tate, and I am on day 29 of the 30 days in front of the camera challenge, and we have 1 day left. And one of the questions that I've given myself while doing this is whether or not we're going to niche down this channel. Now, if you're new to YouTube and all of that, let me explain to you what niching down is. For the rest of you that know, just ignore this content. But niching down means that I would center the focus of the content for this channel to one genre, whether it be helping people over 40 or 50 get started on YouTube, whether it be motorcycle related content, whether it be filmmaking content, whether it be travel, doing like travel vlogs or blogs or however you look at that. And after doing some serious soul searching and talking with others, I have come to the conclusion that the type of person that I am doesn't warrant me being able to niche down to just one subject content. Now, I know that that's going to hurt probably the popularity of the channel and the growth and whatnot, but I think I owe it to you as the audience that we can all learn about different things. I truly believe that you're just as diverse as I am, and we all have different interests. And yeah, you might be coming to this channel to learn about the motorcycles or see the motorcycle riding or learn about how to use different products for film production and how to build a channel for YouTube. But there's a lot of different things that I think that we can all share and learn about other than just that. And I'm a big proponent of people broadening their horizons and finding new and exciting things in this diverse world that we live in. Guys, it's an amazing, beautiful world that we live in. And we should get out there and experience as much of it as God allows us and as much as God wants us to see. So that's going to be my decision to do that. Now, does that mean that I'm not going to start some other channels? I do have some other channels, and we might niche some of those down to just helping people get on YouTube, or maybe just some of the travel and fun stuff that Sam and I do with our families. And I might just dedicate one. We have one BS Motovlog that is dedicated to just our motorcycle riding and the different things that we do in the motorcycles. And I might just do the content that's in the shop on that channel, most of it. We'll still go back and forth in there in this channel as well. But I think that this channel just needs to be dedicated to a wide variety of things. I think that's something new. I've never really felt that I've been a person that fits within a box. I always like to say that I'm living outside the matrix. And I want to be able to share that diversity with you. So that's my decision. That's what we're going to do. Guys, this is day 29. We have one more day left of this 30 days in front of the camera challenge. And tomorrow I'll announce what the new schedule is going to be as far as releasing the videos. It's not going to be every single day, guys. This has been very, very challenging for me to try to find the balance between all of this. But we've got some rain tomorrow, so we might do some neat stuff and talk about some of the lessons that we've learned and what we've improved on and what still needs to get some work, So we're going to try to cover that for day 30. But that's about all I really got for you today. I'm going to get on out of here and go have some dinner with Sam. And I'm going to see you guys back here for day 30. It's been an exciting ride. So listen, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day and God bless. I'll see you back here again tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. See you later.